Are you new to WordPress and curious about how to create your own pages from scratch? In this beginner-friendly tutorial, I'm going to walk you through every step you need to know, from accessing the editor to adding dynamic content, all the way to publishing and adding your page to your site's navigation. By the end, you'll confidently be able to create and launch fully customized pages that help your website shine. Let's get started. First things first, you want to access the page editor in your WordPress dashboard. Go ahead and log into your website. This usually looks like your domain, com with /wp-admin added, and you'll be greeted by the dashboard. Take a look at the left-hand sidebar. You'll see a button that says Pages. Click on that and you'll be taken to a list of all the pages your site currently has. To create a new one, just click the Add New Page button right at the top. This might feel a bit like opening a fresh notebook. You're starting with a blank slate ready to make it your own. Now let's add your content. Once the editor loads up, you'll see a field labeled Add Title. This is where you name your page, like About Us, Contact, or maybe even something fun like Our Story. Right below the title, you've got a totally blank area. Think of this as your workspace where all the magic happens. To start putting things on your page, look for the small ++ icon called the block inserter. Clicking it opens up a whole menu of blocks. You could add paragraphs for your text, images for visuals, headings to organize info, even galleries if you want to showcase photos. If designing a page from scratch feels a bit overwhelming, don't worry. You can use patterns, which are pre-designed layouts for common sections like contact forms or beautiful headers. These patterns save you time and help your page look polished right from the start. Once you've got the basics filled in, it's a good idea to configure your page settings. Over on the right-hand side of the editor, you'll see a sidebar. Click the Page tab. Here you can set a featured image, which acts as a thumbnail representing your page when shared or listed. Next, look for the permalink or URL slug option. Editing this can help your page show up better in search engines, so making it short, relevant, and easy to read is a smart move. Some themes even let you choose different page templates, for example, a full-width template for dramatic presentations or a landing page layout for marketing. These controls help you shape how your page looks and feels to your visitors. Before you launch your page into the world, make sure to preview it first. Find the preview button in the top right corner, click it, and your page will open in a new tab showing exactly how it looks live. This is your chance to spot any typos or layout issues before anyone else sees them. Once you're happy with the results, click the blue Publish button. WordPress will ask you to confirm, so go ahead and click it a second time. Congratulations, your page is now live. But there's one last step to make sure people can actually find your new creation: adding it to your site's menu. New pages don't always show up automatically, so here's how to add them. If you're using a modern block theme, go to Appearance and then Editor. For classic themes, go to Appearance and then Menus. You'll see a list of available pages. Find your new one, click Add to Menu, then save your changes. It might take a moment, but once you check your site, you'll see your new page featured right in the navigation menu, ready for visitors. And that's it, your first custom WordPress page, live and easy to access. If this walkthrough helped you out, please hit that like button and let me know if you have any questions below in the comments. I check them regularly and I'm happy to help. Don't forget to subscribe so you never miss another WordPress tip or tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.